Hello all YouTube viewers. Today this is a new DC-70 and it is parked in a parking zone, and I am very much happy to have this car on my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it and share as much as you can. And this is going to take the turn, and this is the main uh, problem faced by the luxury car owners and drivers who used to ride it with that it is difficult to take the turns. Oh, look at the sound! Wow, beautiful!